On July 7th, Israel experienced an unexpected attack by the Palestinian militant group Hamas, which resulted in Israel declaring a state of conflict against Hamas. In this report, we will provide an impartial and balanced overview of the Israeli-Palestinian conflict. Escalation of conflict, the Israeli-Palestinian hostilities. The conflict began when the Palestinian militant group Hamas launched over 5,000 missiles into Israel, targeting 22 different locations, including the major city of Tel Aviv. Additionally, they took more than 100 individuals as hostages and brought them to the Gaza Strip. Historically, Israel has faced consistent hostilities from Arab nations since its establishment in 1948. This ongoing tension can be traced back to the founding of Israel in an area that Arabs originally inhabited. Over the years, there have been a total of 4 wars between 1948 and 1973, of which were won by Israel. Consequently, the Palestinians who were originally in the region became concentrated in the Gaza Strip to the west of Israel. To safeguard against threats, Israel established an intelligence agency known as the Mossad, responsible for monitoring hostile forces, including Arab countries, and engaging in operations like assassinating key political figures. They also developed the Iron Dome, a missile defense system situated at the border. However, this time, both the Mossad and the Iron Dome were unable to prevent the Hamas attacks. In response to the Hamas assault, Israel declared war on both Hamas and the Palestinians, launching missiles into the Gaza Strip, where many Palestinians reside. Additionally, Hezbollah, a Lebanese militant group located north of Israel, also initiated missile attacks. Hezbollah is supported by Iran, Israel's long-standing adversary. Why the conflict occurred, different views. Hamas claims that Israel started the war by disrespecting Islamic holy places and mistreating Palestinians, calling it a holy war or jihad. But there's another perspective from experts in world politics. One idea is that Hamas wanted to take control of Palestinian politics. There has been a lot of confusion in the Palestinian leadership, and Israel has suggested bringing Gaza back together. In response, Hamas launched an attack to take the lead. A major reason is to disrupt the improving relations between Israel and Saudi Arabia. In 2020, countries like the United Arab Emirates and Sudan established diplomatic ties with Israel, and Saudi Arabia, one of the oldest Arab nations, is considering the same. Some experts think that Hamas started this fight because they felt threatened by these changes. Iran, which supports Hamas and Hezbollah, is also part of the picture. If Saudi Arabia gets closer to the United States, it could limit Iran's influence. So, some experts see this conflict as a kind of proxy war between Israel, backed by the US, and Palestine, backed by Iran.